Welcome back to Motor Mania. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Audi Q5, a luxury SUV that blends cutting-edge technology with everyday practicality, all wrapped in a sleek, modern design. The 2025 Q5 comes with subtle but sharp updates to its exterior. The front grille is more aggressive, the LED headlight design is sharper, and the overall stance of the vehicle looks sportier and more planted. It still carries that clean Audi silhouette but feels more refined and confident. New wheel options and a few bold color choices add more personality to this already stylish SUV. Under the hood, Audi offers a few powertrain options. The standard Q5 gets a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing around 265 horsepower, paired with a 12-volt mild hybrid system for better fuel efficiency and smoother performance. There's also a plug-in hybrid version, pushing the output to nearly 370 horsepower, and it gives you about 40 miles of electric-only driving, perfect for short commutes or city runs. Inside, the cabin is where Audi really flexes its luxury muscle. The 2025 model features a larger curved touchscreen display, running Audi's latest infotainment system. It's faster, more intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials feel premium throughout. Soft touch surfaces, brushed aluminum accents, and optional wood trim make it feel upscale without being flashy. Comfort-wise, the Q5 delivers. The front seats are well bolstered and supportive, and there's plenty of space in the back for passengers. Cargo space remains solid for its class, with enough room for weekend bags, groceries, or sports gear. Tech and safety are front and center. Standard features now include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Audi's driver assistance systems feel smooth and unobtrusive. They're there when you need them but never get in the way of the driving experience. Driving the Q5 is as polished as ever. It feels composed, quiet, and comfortable on the highway, but can also handle twisty roads with surprising agility thanks to the optional adaptive suspension and quattro all-wheel drive. All in all, the 2025 Audi Q5 keeps everything we love about the Q5 and just makes it better. It's luxurious without being loud, smart without being complicated, and sporty without sacrificing comfort. If you're in the market for a premium SUV that does it all, this one's worth a serious look. Thanks for watching Motor Mania. Catch you in the next one.